the deluxe room here in Tropics Boracay, and these two are enjoying, and these two is no more teeth. Who's this? You know this guy? Hi guys, do you know who is this guy? This guy changed. He changed his face. What's missing out here? Can you check? Please comment down below who is this guy. Okay? Bye. This is the balcony. Okay? So this is a nice place to stay in. Come and enjoy. Hi. Hi. Say something.
Hi. Welcome to Boracay.
Today what you gonna do? You will go to banana boat? You will go
Diving.
to diving?
I don't like diving.
Ayan. Morning at Tropics. So nice. Room number din. Morning po. Room 205. Pwede na pa. Ayan, 4 cam. Ayan. Our last day, breakfast. Sarap po. Ito ang Tropics Boracay.